Hey guys, all right, it is time for a 650 unboxing. Okay, so excited about this. We have been waiting for this package to arrive. So we have 4 new pieces from 650. So are you guys ready? All right, the first one that I am gonna rip open here is the star sweater. How insanely cute is this? Just wait until you guys try it on. All right, the next one is the Maisie, and it is the lightning bolt sweater. Stars all over it, so fun. And I love it. It's great with black stars. It is so snuggly soft too. So this is the Reina star sweater. Love it. It's so cute. So cute. Love that one. So soft too, just like the star sweater. And then the next one is a set. So we have the pants, the joggers, and gold metallic stars all over. Actually, gold and silver metallic stars all over. Super cute and so soft. And then I have one more for you guys. I have the matching top to the joggers. So this is also the KC top. All of these items are online on our website, and it's free shipping too. And oh my God, are you guys kidding me? It has thumb holes. All right, I'm sold. The fact that it has thumb holes, that's it, I'm done. So cute. Oh my God, I cannot wait to take this home and wear it tonight. I've already claimed one for